Imagine your body as a high-security biotech laboratory. Macrophages are the security guards, B cells are the weapons department, and CD4 T helper cells are the overworked lab managers trying to keep everything under control.
Then HIV enters the chat wearing sunglasses like, "Hello, sir, totally not a threat." CD4 cells with zero survival instincts say, "Oh, he looks harmless. Give him full access."
Worst decision in immunology history. Normal biology follows DNA to RNA to protein. But HIV looked at the textbook and said, "Cute. Watch this."
Using reverse transcriptase, it converts RNA back into DNA, like biology's biggest rule breaker.
Then it sneaks into the nucleus, inserts its own genetic material into the host genome using Integrase, and basically turns the immune cell into a 24/7 virus manufacturing company.
The CD4 cell now spends its entire life producing HIV instead of defending the body.
Meanwhile, scientists are working day and night. We developed PCR. We created ART therapy. We sequenced the viral genome.
And HIV responds, "Impressive. Anyway, I mutated again."
In short, HIV is the biological equivalent of a hacker who attacks the police station first. For more chaotic science, biological disasters, and forbidden lab humor, visit sciencecoat.com.